Good morning, Tube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Monday, guys. Today is my Friday. I encourage you guys to click the subscribe button and click the little bell. That way you get notifications every time that I do a video. Welcome.
Every day is snowing since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
So today is Monday, guys. Today is a rainy day. It's an ugly, gloomy day here in the Los Angeles basin. And as I explained to you guys the other day, usually when it rains in LA, people do not come out, even though they're at work. People that do stay home do not come out. So I don't expect it to be too busy today. It's probably just gonna be a slow, lackadaisical day. Luckily, it's only me and J-Lo working today. So you know, it is what it is. We'll get through this day, and you know, sometimes I say this and it turns out to be a super busy day. So hopefully it'll be a super busy day. So today I woke up and, oh man, there's a mess at the house. I don't know, we got some kind of a water leak. I don't know if a pipe busted or something. So I got plumbers coming over the house today. Oh my God, just a headache. So it's a bad start to the day. Luckily, I'm close to home from my shop. So I'm gonna go over to the shop right now. Make sure everything's good over there, and then when the plumber comes back, I'm gonna head back to the house and see what's up with that. Hopefully it's not too crazy of a damage. I have to get my insurance involved, everything. So it's just another headache, another thing. You know, things happen like this, guys. This is what happens in life. You know, things don't always roll smoothly. You know, sometimes things come jumping out at you, and you gotta roll with the punches. You know, make sure you just survive and continue grinding, continue rolling. That's what it's like. So I'm gonna go to the shop right now. Then a little while I'm gonna head back to the house and take care of this water issue. I'll keep you guys updated on that, see what you guys think. But you guys have a good day and grind on.
Woo! The sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold ice, the same fights. We won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Aimless, shouting, bringing up all of our mistakes. What we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side.
Today's been a horrible day, guys. Horrible. Not only is it raining, not only is it ugly, not only is it slow at the shop, I got a slab leak at the house. It's even worse. Got to repipe the whole water system at the house. Carport's out wet. It's raining outside and it's raining inside. Oh man. And the worst part about it, I got my family there. Everybody, my grandmother stays with me. Oh my God. So needless to say, it's not going my way today, guys. Not going my way. So I gotta make some insurance calls. Call my insurance company, set a claim up. It's all bad right now. All bad. But what can we do? We just roll with the punches and roll with the flow, guys. That's what you do. You know, we won't sit here and cry about it. Nah. You know, things like this happen, and things like this happen in life, and this is what life's all about. You know. All right, guys. I'll go back to the shop, finish up this day, make my phone call, see what I can do. All right, guys. So that's it for today, guys. This day is over. It was pretty slow Monday today because it was raining outside, so not a lot of people came through here. Of course, I didn't spend too much time in here. I was gone a few times throughout the day trying to take care of that business at home. Man, it's a disaster at home, guys. I don't even know where to start with that. It's gonna be pretty crazy over there. So we'll just take it on as it comes along and see what happens. But check out this new little contraption I found. I want to show you guys. I'm gonna see these. Look at this. They're barber combs, but they're made out of metal. Metal barber combs. Check it out. You guys don't believe me. Metal barber combs. They come in different colors. Ooh, that's my gold one right there. Sorry. But they come in black, they come in silver, which is chrome, and then they have the gold one. And the gold one I like because it matches my machine. But I got these on Amazon. I think I paid $7 a piece. I actually ordered one the week before from Barber Nova, and it cost me twice as much over there. So Amazon has them for $7. I'll put a link up on my description if you guys are interested. I tried them out today. They're pretty nice. The reason why I like them is because these are extended use combs. They're not going to break. They're not. Hopefully, we'll see. A plastic comb doesn't last me very long, so me, the way I use them and clean them and wash them every day and then reuse them and everything, you know, a box of combs lasts me maybe a month or two. I'll go through a whole box. But, you know, ever since I started using my carbon, my clipper over comb brush, I use the same comb all the time. So I'm hoping that these will work the same way, where I only have to use, you know, one or two of these, and then, you know, I don't have to be buying the other types of combs anymore. But yeah, as far as the way it feels on your hands, it feels true to the size of a regular barber comb. I don't know if you guys use barber combs. I use barber combs. These are considered a barber comb. This is barber comb size. But yeah, these are pretty nice. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link in my description. But that's it for today, guys. You know, today, like I said, I didn't do too many haircuts, and today it was kind of slow. I managed to film one cut in there, so I'll throw it in there for you guys. But this week is over. Hopefully tomorrow or the day, well, not tomorrow, but the day after, on my day off, I'm going to finish up the Babyliss Gold FX review. I'm going to actually work on this after I'm done with this video. I'm going to work on that one. So I'm trying to get that out to you this week. So I know a few people have been asking me if I was going to drop my review on it, and I hadn't done it yet. So I'm going to work on that for you guys tonight too also. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, guys, you guys need to subscribe to this channel. I need you guys to click that thumbs up. I need you guys to click the little bell button so that every time I make a video, you guys get a notification of my videos coming up. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.